Florida's summertime pattern is making a return.
Right along with the heat and humidity, we have increasing rain chances with scattered storms this afternoon. Cam Tran is here tracking it all for us. Cam.
Hey, good afternoon. On our first warning radar, we're already tracking a couple of rain showers firing up with that east breeze working its way west or inland. Here's a closer look. We're seeing some light rain right now in Samsula and just west of New Smyrna Beach. Thankfully, not a whole lot of lightning associated with this, but we are expecting that thunderstorm activity to pick up as we go into the latter half of your day. Here's a look at Futurecast. By around 2:30, 3 o'clock, we could see a couple of stronger thunderstorms as that east breeze works its way west and really taps into the daytime heating. By the time we get into around 5, 6, 7 o'clock tonight, most of the thunderstorm activity should start to meander west already. So west of the Orlando Metro, heading more towards the I-75 corridor. It's within this window about 2 to 6 o'clock that we could see an isolated strong to severe thunderstorm develop, especially with any late boundary collisions farther west of Orlando. Temperatures right now, as you step outside, it feels like 92 in DeLand, 91 in Leesburg, scorching hot right now in the Villages where it feels almost like 100 already. So take a look at your 12-hour forecast from about 2 to about 6 o'clock tonight. That's that window of opportunity where we could see some stronger thunderstorms develop. Before those storms arrive, though, expect a very hot and very humid day with a high temperature of 92 degrees. Showers and thunderstorms should clear out in the overnight hours, and we're looking at even higher rain chances in our forecast soon. I'll let you know when, coming up in 15 minutes.